Hi guys, and welcome back to Model Fix. My name's Dan, we're in sunny England, and today we are, you won't guess this one, we're stripping. We're going to strip down the old tailgate, and I'm going to do a bunch of how-tos, so give me a couple of minutes and we'll get right on it. Slight change of plan, guys. What we're going to do is, I was just thinking about it, there's 7 items that are going to be stripped off this tailgate, and it'd be nice to do an how-to for each one, so it helps you guys out. You can find the video easy, makes it nice and short, and keyword searches etc. work a lot better. So let's do that. So I'm going to start with the interior trim, and then we've got the wiper motor and wiper arm. We've got the central locking mechanism and solenoid, door handle. We've got the wiring loom, the brake light. We've got the interior trim, and then we've got an exterior, the bottom trim bit, that plastic bit. So enjoy, guys. Interior panels coming up. We're going to start off by removing the plastic panel on the inside. This panel here is all just clips, but you have to be careful a little bit, I think, and just yank them one by one. And if you just pull them slowly like this, just work your way around slowly and pop them all out. So what you'll see here is these clips here. You got the plastic ones on the inside, so just be careful not to break those, because they can break sometimes. But if you actually like move right up to where the most amount of sort of tension is and then pull outwards, then let's like break them. Whereas if you put stress on the panel and pull it down, try and bend it, then you will probably break a few clips. So just give it a good old tug and just work your way all the way around. So here on the inside of the panel, you can see you've got these metal clips on the top side and left and right, so pull those out, and then the rest are plastic. There's 4 across the top and then 2 down the bottom on each side, and you've got these little poppers here too. Seems like someone's had this out before, because as you can see here, one's broken, and there's a variety of colors here, so there's pink ones and white ones. But yeah, I mean, worst case scenario, you can get these off eBay and just swap them. But there you go, your plastic panel's off, and this is what you have on the inside. So what I want to actually do with this tailgate is strip everything out. So the wiper motor will be coming off, all the locking mechanism will be coming off, this bottom valance bit's going to come off, and I'll show you how to do it all. On this one here, definitely someone has been there before, because you can see someone's tried to glue it, and I wouldn't really try and bother gluing this, because for the effort I think it'll just come off again once you pop it. So I mean, it's only one in the middle, I don't think it'll make much difference if you didn't glue it back on. Thought I'd just pop this trim off as well. I might have covered this in one of my other videos, but this one's a popper as well, so you just get your fingers under there, give it a hard pull, don't be too frightened, but as I say, just try and grab it where it's most taut, and it is quite sharp, so watch that you don't end up hurting your fingers, but run your fingers along as far as you can, and then just pull, and then again pull. So on this one, you've got metal clips all the way across the top, so you don't have to be too scared about pulling these out. Worst case scenario, you'll probably snap the plastic that it sits on, you can see there. What I have noticed is both of these have snapped. I think I just snapped one now. There it is on the floor, and they slot into here, but I don't think it's the end of the world if you snap those, so I wouldn't worry about it too much.